To use voice mode in ChecQR, select the burger menu and enable voice mode. Select the checklist you want to use and answer verbally.
Yes. Save. No corrective action needed. Save. Documentation. Save. Yes. Office. Note. We'll check other areas later. 24. Save.